Welcome to the J. Everett Light Career Center, and thank you for your interest in our career technical education programs. Today, I will share a list of classes that we offer, and I will also share the benefits students experience when they take a course at the Career Center. First, let's review the benefits to taking a career technical education class. Most of our courses offer dual credits. This means students can earn college credits while they are also earning high school credits. These college credits count towards graduation pathways. Most of our courses offer industry and state recognized certifications. By earning these certifications, students are proving their mastery of knowledge and skills. They are building their resumes and increasing their marketability to employers. In addition, state and industry recognized certifications count towards graduation pathways. J. Everett Light Career Center students have the opportunity to join career technical student organizations. As CTSO members, students will practice leadership and CTE skills, network, and have the opportunity to compete with their peers within the region, state, and nation. To honor our Career Center students' hard work and dedication to their career goals, we offer National Technical Honor Society membership and the Governor's Work Ethic Certificate. Students who take a class at J. Everett Light Career Center will enjoy hands-on learning. For example, culinary students work in our public student-run restaurant. Cosmetology students work in our salon. And our health career students work at a local senior citizen living home. These work-based learning experiences count towards graduation pathways and prepare students for future careers. Next, let's look at a list of classes that we offer at J. Everett Light Career Center. We offer auto service and manufacturing programs. For example, welding, auto service technology, auto collision repair and refinishing, auto maintenance and detailing, and advanced manufacturing technology. We offer technology programs, digital design and advertising, IT pathways, cybersecurity, networking and coding, animation and film production, music and sound production, and media arts production. We have several health service career programs, including dental careers, health career CNA prep, health career exploration, medical assisting, medical terminology, and vet careers. Public safety classes, including law enforcement and emergency medical technician, EMT. We offer a cosmetology program, education and hospitality programs, education careers, and culinary arts. Work-based learning. We offer Project Lead the Way courses, including Intro to Engineering and Design, Principles of Engineering, and Digital Electronics. Our business department has several classes: Accounting, Business Law and Ethics, Digital Applications and Responsibility, Entrepreneurship, Personal Financial Responsibility, Preparing for College and Careers, Principles of Business Management, and Principles of Marketing. Our Family and Consumer Science Department offers Adult Roles and Responsibilities, Child Development, Interpersonal Relationships, and Fashion and Textiles. To learn more about J. Everett Light Career Center, please see our website and follow us on social media. Be sure to talk to your counselor about enrolling at J. Everett Light Career Center, and thank you for your interest in our Career Center.